Hello everyone! My name is Olga Smola and I am violin professor at the University of Nebraska at Omaha at the School of Music. Today I'm going to give you some tips for your preparation for the all-state audition. Let's speak about violin etude. I think you need about this etude like about the real piece, because it has two wonderful parts, one in adagio, another in allegro. And adagio section has to be more lyrical, and allegro has to be more spirited and agitated. Be careful with minor, major, and especially augmented intervals in the adagio. It can be sometimes pretty hard to hear the right tune and to play it. So if you have some difficulties in some places, like for example in bar number 13 or bar number 15, you can think about some notes and harmonically, like here about C flat, it's equal to B natural. So pay attention to this, please. Also, I added some dynamics to the music in order to help you to build beautiful musical lines. Please do not start to play with an accent right the first note, because I think that it's my opinion, but I hear this that music goes to the second bar. In allegro section, I recommend you to connect short 16 note in the first bar. After the pause, I recommend to connect this note to the next group of 16 notes and keep the bow on the string for this, like this. Also, you can find some dynamics in this section as well. And I forgot to say about adagio section that think about smooth string crossing. It's extremely important in this section because we have a lot of change. Try to prepare your hand before you leave the previous string. Try to think about the next one. So now I will play it for you and show you all these tips